If you've ever needed to take charge and manage your Telegram group with confidence, today's tutorial will guide you step by step through how to remove a person from a Telegram group chat. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your group safe, positive, and focused without any confusion. Whether you're moderating discussions or responding to team changes, this simple skill can help you keep your group conversation on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, to remove someone from a Telegram group, you do need to be a group administrator. This is really important. Only admins have the authority to manage members in this way. If you're not sure about your admin status, just check whether you see admin tools in your group settings. If you're not yet an admin, you'll need to ask an existing admin to either promote you or handle the member removal themselves. Once you're sure you have admin privileges, open up your Telegram app or desktop client and head straight into the group chat where you want to make this change. Entering the correct group is key, especially if you manage several groups. It's surprisingly easy to mix them up, so take a second to double-check that you're in the right chat before proceeding. Next, at the top of the chat screen, you'll see your group's name. Tap or click on it. This is your gateway to the group info panel. In most versions of Telegram, tapping the group name brings up all the details you need. From shared media settings to the full members list, this step is crucial because it gives you direct access to the people in your group. Think of it like opening the door to a conference room and taking a quick head count. Scroll through the member list to find the person you want to remove. Depending on the group size, this could be quick or take a bit of scrolling. If the group is large, you can usually use the search or filter function to help locate the member faster. Don't worry if you don't recognize every name, just take your time and double-check before proceeding so the right person is selected. Here, where the process splits a little depending on your device. If you're on mobile, tap on their name to bring up their member profile or options, then look for the Remove from Group button, which may appear in red with a trash icon or simply as text. Give that a tap and confirm your choice if prompted. On desktop, it's even a bit quicker. Just right-click the member's name and select Remove from Group, or whichever similar phrasing your version of Telegram uses. Again, confirm if asked. Immediately after this, the user will be removed and they'll lose all access to the group, including its chat history. Just a quick word of reassurance: if you make a mistake, most groups allow you to re-add the person if needed, though they won't see messages from before they rejoin. Removing someone is a powerful tool, but with great power comes the responsibility to be clear and intentional. Sometimes awkward group situations arise, but don't worry, with practice, managing your group will begin to feel second nature. And that's all there is to it. Managing a Telegram group can be easy as long as you know where to look and what each button does. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or need advice with Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.